Today this video is going to show you how you can download TikTok video without the watermark. The one you are checking on the screen right now is the traditional way of downloading TikTok video, but it's going to have watermark, and the one that you are checking now doesn't have watermark. So how do you download TikTok video without the watermark? Well, let's get started. Remember to hit on that subscription button if you have not done that, so that you get notified when a new content is out. So how do you download TikTok video without watermark? Let's get started. Log into your TikTok account, and then once you log into your TikTok account, you look for the video that you actually want to download. So I'm logging to my TikTok account, and then this is the video that I want to download, and then I'm going to click on that share button. Can you see it there? That one that have 10.3k is the share button. So once I click on it, you are going to see two options. Now you can save your video directly to your phone, but that one will have watermark. But you make sure you click on copy link. So once you click on copy link, then you can have to go back to your phone, and then you go to your browser and you search for Chrome, depending on the browser that you are using. So you are going to type this URL address: snaptik.app, snaptik.app. So that is a place where you are going to paste the link. Once you paste the link, then you will be able to download TikTok videos and the watermark will not show. So follow this tutorial. Click search that address, and then you click on the address. Can you see TikTok video download without watermark, fast and all device? So paste link, you have to paste the link, and then once you paste on the link, then you click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to fetch for that link. Remember, those video, you must make sure you have permission from those who actually created it. You see, please wait a moment, and then it's going to quickly load, and then you are going to see some options there. You see download server 1 and download server 2. You can actually click on any two, maybe download server 01 or download server 02. So I click on download server 01. So you see your video will automatically be downloaded. Please wait for a moment. Can you see I have to click on download, give me the prompt, and then I click on download, and this will be saved directly into your phone. And when you click on open, you will check the video and it doesn't have watermark. If you love the video, comment, like, and I'll see you in the next video.